Welcome to Safetica Manual Installation Guide. First thing we need to do is download Safetica Installer. Link is in the description below. Manual installation allows you to connect Safetica to your own database. You can also download SQL Express from Microsoft website. Start installation by running Downloaded Installer. Choose preferred language. Select Manual Installation and Component Extraction. First part is installing Safetica Management Service. You can either connect Safetica Management Service to an existing SQL database or install a new one from the installer. We are choosing the second option. Now we set up credentials for the SQL database. Then we set up connection data for the SQL. Congratulations! Safetica was successfully installed. Next step is installation of Safetica Management Console. You need to input server name where Safetica Management Service is installed. Open Command Prompt and execute command hostname. Copy the hostname and insert it to field Choose Server. Now you can log in. After you start Safetica Management Console, the initial configuration wizard is opened. If you don't have your own SMTP server, you can leave the fields for SMTP empty. Then you can change your administrator password. You can also import your Active Directory structure. In the next step, we export Downloader Agent. Enter your license key or customer ID. In reporting and monitoring, enter valid email for alerts and your company name. You can also select which predefined sensitive content will be monitored. You can change these settings later. Good job! Safetica is now ready to protect data in your company. The next step is exporting configuration file for Web Safetica. Select Settings and press Get Configuration File for Web Safetica. Go back to Installation Wizard. Lastly, we install Web Safetica. When server installation is finished, we can install Safetica on endpoints. First, install Downloader Agent, which was exported earlier. Then we can install Safetica Endpoint Client remotely from Safetica Management Console. The installation will be finished when the computer reboots.